Sarawak is known for their famous local dishes such as Sarawak Laksa, Kolo, tomato Tiaw, typically found in kopitiams, aka local coffee shops here. Hi, my name is Bianca. Come with me as I embark on an adventure to discover and learn more of Sarawak. In this episode, we'll be going into the jungle to try some local indigenous foods, such as ayam panso, stir-fried midin, and so much more. But we're not only going to eat, we're going to cook. But before we cook, we gotta harvest. So I invited Jhaz, an experienced cook and an avid explorer. And he's going to teach me how not to mess up in the kitchen, or the lack thereof. Ania Ganyan, my name is Bianca.
And I'm Jhaz.
We're here at Kampong Sadir to discover
Jungle cooking.
So Jhaz, can you tell them what Ani Agahnan means?
So Ani Agahnan means apa kabar in the Bidayu language, and it is used by the locals here in Kampong Sadir.
So Kampong Sadir is located in Sarawak at the Padawan district, and it's amazing. Look at the view.
I know, look at that. The paddy field right there, pineapple farm.
The little hut right there, the cute little hut. So Jhaz, I know you've been doing some jungle cooking around Sarawak before. Can you tell me how the experience will be like?
There's going to be lots of hiking, so I hope you're ready for that. And lots of foraging as well, and you're going to get hot and sweaty. Are you excited?
Super. Let's go!
Alrighty.
Let's
Join
discover
us.
jungle cooking! Hi guys, we're here at the pineapple farm to harvest some midin and maybe some pineapples.
Alright, so today we have a pineapple expert right here. So, hi Greg, what are we going to do today?
Okay, so for this morning we go to the pineapple to collect some midin and also some pineapple for our food in the farm after this, okay?
Alright, perfect. We
Let's
shall
go.
go.
Dekat-dekat mai aku tengok.
Nah. Definitely going to be me.
Nope, me. So we're now back here with our biodegradable Tupperwares, and what we're gonna do?
We're going to harvest some midin, some wild fruit.
So here, this is the midin. This one you want to collect it, right? So for the midin here, also make sure you collect for the young one, right? And also the soft one here. Okay, so let's say if you collect like all one like this, you can collect it, but it's no meaning, you cannot eat it,
Oh,
right?
okay.
It's too
Dry.
hard for you to chew it when you cook, okay?
Oh, I already got like 3. How many did you get, Jhaz?
Well, I've got 2, but you know,
I got
I'm
3!
going to redeem myself.
Still winning. We just harvest some midin, and I wonder who got the most. I think I did.
Well, it seems like you did like...
Okay.
Who had more?
We
Minute
have more.
judge.
Let me take first. She have more.
Alright, okay, fair enough.
So we're finally about to eat, but before we eat, we have to cook. So we have a lovely spread of fresh produce right here. We have fruits, we have the midin that we picked from the pineapples. So Jhaz, since you being a cook, can you explain what we have right in front of us?
Alright, so we do have a variety of jungle produce right here. First of all, I have this. It's called rebung kelapa. So this is actually rebung kelapa.
Rebung
So
kelapa.
it's actually the heart of a coconut
tree.
palm.
Oh.
Yeah, so yeah, heart of coconut palm.
Okay.
Same thing. And here you have bunga kantang, which is the wild ginger flower. So it's perfumey. Perfumey taste very
Almost looks
fragrant.
like a lotus, you know.
Yeah, it does. And right here is my favorite herb. This
What
is
is it?
called culantro. It's like the Bidayu coriander. So give it a go. The fragrance will come right at the end. It's really subtle.
Cilantro.
Culantro.
Culantro.
Yeah, this is called
Sounds like cilantro, but culantro.
And here you have wild ginger flower. Wild ginger, I mean. My apologies. Wild ginger. And this is normally used for ayam panso, if I'm not mistaken, sisui.
That's what we'll be cooking today, you know?
And one of the ingredients that really rounds off the ayam panso is the tapioca leaves right here.
What do you have? What is this?
So this is actually the bark of the sago tree. So they normally use this as a plate, so it's very...
Biodegradable! Woo!
So what do we do first?
Yeah. came across a really, really big waterfall. How many levels does it have?
Two levels.
Not one, two levels. So we just finished eating and cooking and I'm so full. How about you, Jhaz?
I'm so stuffed.
Super stuffed.
Yeah.
The food was delicious, super good. What was your favorite?
The ikan panso that was cooked by you.
Yeah, me, by me.
By you, yeah.
But my all-time favorite was for sure the ayam panso.
Ayam panso,
Yeah, it was, even though it wasn't that flavorful, it was hearty. So good.
Very well rounded.
Very well rounded. Yeah, you're the chef here.
Yeah. Still a cook. Still a cook.
But yeah, after the trek, after picking up the midin, we're a bit tired. But luckily for us, we have a waterfall right there. So you might take a dip and see you next time. Bye!
Yeah.